So we start off today's video with this pixie inspired haircut design. This is also known as a shaggy pixie cut. So she shows the stylist the inspiration. Very nice. I love the overall shape and texture for this haircut. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone who has shoulder length hair and the stylist cuts the hair into a nice playful bob. I love the natural wavy texture that she has within this cut, and it also features some face framing curtain style bangs. And then we see someone with long mid-back length hair. The stylist is placed in some ponytails and the stylist begins to cut. Wow, another gorgeous pixie style. Beautifully done. She does have longer bangs going there in the front. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone else with very long, wavy waist length hair. Ooh, looks like she got a nice pixie bob haircut. I love the amount of volume that this cut has. Very nice. And then we see another big chop. listed a nice layered haircut for this one. Very nice shape and texture overall. Gorgeous. And then we see someone getting a bit of a cut refresh. Very nice undercut pixie style. Oh, I love the texture that he did with the cutting, especially for the face framing bangs. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.